Okay. All right. So if after making a layout, people can still find out where you took inspiration from, hate to break it to you, but you haven't taken inspiration. You committed plagiarism and you should be incarcerated. But since the law doesn't have any provisions for that just yet, you get an army of designers in your comments calling you out, and that is no fun. But the thing is, you didn't get cancelled because you stole, but because you got caught. Because great designers steal all the time, but they're still smart and they get away with it. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. First order of business, never steal from one source, because that's plagiarism. But steal from 5 sources, now that's genius, that's smart. When taking inspiration, you must draw from multiple sources, choosing different elements you like from each source. When you see a navbar that you like, take a screenshot, a typeface or use of typography that stands out to you, grab that too. The goal is to get the best of each source so you can then combine them and create what would seem to be a unicorn. But there is a method to the madness, which leads us to the next order of business. Alright, before we go any further, I would like to take a second to introduce the sponsor of today's video, me. Now, if you are enjoying the video so far and you feel like supporting me, the less privileged, the best way to do that would be to like and subscribe. Thank you. So the next order of business is to make sure your inspiration sources match the vibe you're going for. Now, let's say you're making a modern layout. It probably wouldn't be smart taking inspiration from a Swiss, editorial, or futuristic type layout. Because when taking inspiration from multiple sources, the goal is to have a layout that looks better than most of your inspiration sources. Otherwise, you've taken a dumb risk committing a crime with no happy ending. Now, here's a bonus tip that will save you a whole lot of time and trouble. Wireframes and sketches don't matter as much as you think. I've never made one in my life. Okay, maybe I have, but that was in a different life. I'm better now. Jaw's been broken, heart's been broken. The point is, great ideas don't come from wireframes or sketches. They come from exploration and experimentation. So, go out there and commit some legal thefts. See you in the next story.